This is a sign from God telling me to consider the spiritual bottom feeders, lowly spiritual trash perspective when I deal with them effectively and show them the truth. What they're saying is basically it doesn't pay to be black in a small white town because it is like Where's Waldo except for with an afro and being black in a small white town with a few Hispanics. Now, they might bring one black guy out, on a leash or something every once in a while to say, hey, we love black people here, don't we? And, pat him on the head, Then you better keep your black mouth shut. Okay, that's their perspective. I understand. If I was a dirty dog who was evil as hell, I wouldn't want that to get out either. I'd probably do some foul shit and try to set people up to get raped and, do anything I can to smear them, but, as a preemptive strike, yeah. Because I would be a grimy, honorless coward. Not like my brothers in Palestine that throw rocks at you pussies, dude. I represent for everyone who throws rocks at a bunch of dogs. And no, I'm not about to throw a rock at a cop and get shot. And if they say he threw a rock, they lied. If they say he did anything, they lie. Look. The day a Johnny-come-lately can kill me first, that will be the day. If there isn't at least one evil-looking cop, not one innocent cop next door, not one evil-looking cop, but actually he was a good guy, but one truly evil cop murked, then they set me up. I promise you. And yes, they're already threatening me with, we'll do a favor and have Santa Cruz County pick you up. How about, no, don't go there. Okay, to make a long story short, when they threaten you, buddy, it makes you want to talk fast because you get excited. It makes you want to threaten them back. I've been arguing with them over reproduction all of my life, driving far just to get to a town with all white, all spiked, all far right. No, the left has a racist slice of a fucking racist pie. It didn't come from the sky. It came from the W-H and Y. And why, you might ask? Ask the counterterrorism task. Who truly has the force? Who needs to make up for it by buying a Porsche? And who has the heart to face Babylon by himself and hold down the fort against the pork? You ask him that. Big Mac Loc will tell you that Palestinian Heru, the Palestinian black type of nigga, without being a Muslim. Oh, he said he's Palestinian. No, I am not a Muslim. I do not pledge allegiance to ISIS. I stomp on ISIS and every New World Order snake that rolls with them, and whoever might be behind them, whoever they may be. I'm not going to threaten you, but believe me, I can behave myself. I can control my behavior. What I do not like, my good friends, is you people provoking me so that you can control my behavior. And then you have me in a small white town with a bunch of racists who will give any white narrative you want. And you think I'm just going to stick around while you sabotage my car to try to discourage me from leaving town? While you turn that Houston girl against me to discourage me from leaving town for the psychological effect of making me want to stay put so you can keep harassing me and whatever gays and fat women in your secret societies or a little network we want to call it, your little code of silence network, we'll say, who are fixated on me, can, keep playing with me. And oh, that's disgusting. You're disgusting. And I'm Big Mac Loc, nigga. And yes, look around. This is not Morgan Hell. I'm on my way out. All you sheriffs who have a problem with me, nigga, catch me if you can. I'm not going to hurt myself or anyone else. I have no history of violence. And I took my medication, quote unquote, today, we'll say.